The transmission, that's the only one of those on the planet for now. The
Bill it.
6-speed sequential
Oh, wow.
B series can be used front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. It's got a provision on it to be able to put a transfer case in for all-wheel drive. Or
No, is this a new product you're working on?
yeah, we've already sold. I sold 3 of them already to other customers, and it's
sweet
because this was like the prototype, and then we made some revisions and. Albin, it's made by Albin's.
Okay.
And
that's what I was getting at.
Yeah, it's made by Albin's, and that's how when we sell it, we sell it. You know, it's an Albin's part. We have to provide the differential that's in it for them. So typically, we'll use a Wave Track Pro level. At this level, I would think most people are using a Pro level diff.
Right.
We get those through Wave Track, but then the rest of it is it's all Albin's manufactured. The gears. It's a pretty unique design.
Are you going to be able to make a version of this for the K?
It's yeah. We have conversations with them about doing it.
So I'm assuming it's straight cut gears, so they should be able to run the other way.
Yep.
Nice.
It's all straight cut, and it's a really, again, James would have to explain it in detail, but the way that it's designed is so that it never comes out of first until you're in second.
Oh, interesting.
So it's not designed for downshifting at all. It's strictly a drag transmission. So years anyways, the uptick in like K-series parts being needed, you know, the aftermarket, the harder it is to get B-series stuff, and the easier it is to get K-series stuff, it's definitely
starting to swing.
It's starting to swing a little bit. So we've got another race car project in the works. Probably not this year, but next year we'll do a similar build to this, but with the K.
Nice.
Yeah.
That'll be very interesting to see how that does.
Yeah.